Hello friends, in this class we are going to talk about the DAG representation of basic block, and we will see, because of implementation of this, how common sub-expression can be eliminated. Hi everyone, and this is the next example for construction of this DAG. And in this example, again we are going to do the same thing, that this is the basic block. Okay, that we have already seen that this is the basic block, and for this basic block we are going to construct the DAG. So let's see what we can do over here. That first statement is A equal to B star C. So what we'll do here, that we'll put a multiplication, and the node will be B and it will be C. Okay, then D is equal to B. The simple assignment is there, and for that here in this I will attach another node, because D and B value is same, and D will nothing but the copy of B. So here I will just write here at this label I will put a D also. Then it says that E is equal to D multiplied by C. So here we have already I have forgot to put attach. Okay, A is there, and E is also is now having D multiplied by C. D multiplied by C. So here I'll put another attachment to this is E. Then it says B is equal to E, and E is the same value at this particular node. So here in this case it will be B. F is equal to B plus C, and this is the latest node we are having. For this is the node for B, the latest node for B, and this is the value of C. So what we'll do here is we'll take a plus over here, and we'll take the C value from this and attach the label to this as F. Okay, now finally we have a G, and that should be added up with the D. Okay, and we don't have a latest value of D over here, so this is the latest value. So I'll put a plus over here, and that will take the value from it will take the value from F and D. Okay, so I have to take this value as plus, and that it will take the value from F, the latest F. So this is your F, this one is your D. Okay, this node represents the D. We don't have any other places D over here. So this label will be, in this case, will be G. So this is the basic block for this second example. This is also a basic block converted into a directed acyclic graph, converted into a DAG. Okay, so I hope you agree with this example. Thank you.